How to lock a Brave browser with password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock a Brave browser with password. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your Brave browser. Once you're in the browser, you can see the three lines located in the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on it. From here, you need to scroll and then you need to click on extensions, and from the menu that appears, you need to click on manage extensions. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and click on Web Store over here. Then here you can search for extensions and themes. You need to simply click on Lock. Then you can see the first option that says Browser Lock, so you need to simply click on that. From here, you need to go ahead and then you need to click on Add to Brave. Then you need to simply click on Add Extension. Now that the browser lock has been downloaded, you need to simply click on Start Now. Now, you need to go ahead and create your account. In order to create your account, you need to add your name, surname, email address, and then in order to protect your browser, you need to go ahead and type the password over here. Then you need to type the password again. Once you have done that, you need to click on register. Now, you need to verify your email. Simply click on validate. You need to go ahead and copy the code, and once you have done that, you need to go ahead and paste it over here. Then you need to click on validate. And as you can see that the browser lock has been toggled on. Now, every time you open the browser, you need to enter the password. If you want to go ahead and open up your browser, it will be protected from password. Let's go ahead and check that. Here, as you can see that the browser is locked. You need to simply enter the password that you have created before in order to enter into your browser. And that's how you do it. You now know how to lock your Brave browser from password. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.